All right, welcome back to take two, AKA Let's Make Shit Right edition of me working on my car. Let me just close this fucking thing up. Spare you all the bits about me wiggling and getting the wheel off and doing all that stuff. I've already got my gauge cluster out, and we're going to try to do a fix to get around the two rheostats that I broke. So I'm going to remove this, and then I'm just going to jump the two pins together via a wire. And what is supposed to happen is that I won't be able to dim my gauge lights anymore, but I will just have them full on when I turn on my lights. And that's all I want. I wouldn't want to dim them anyway, because it's not like they're the brightest things in the world. So let's get started. First, I got to unscrew this stupid piece of shit. Fuck you. Okay. So these two pins now, I basically need to connect via a wire. Let me just see what size these are, because I've seen this done in some Benz forums, and it's simple and it's easily reversible. Not that the other way wouldn't be reversible as well. And I just want to see how big these are though, because I don't want, so if I did, you know, one like that and one like, if there were smaller ones in here, that would be very helpful. Actually, if I just do like that, actually. So we're gonna do something like this. Wire there, alligator clip, and we're gonna see what happens. This one's already done. Looks like too long though. Oh, snake wire back there. I can't even open the package. I'm an idiot. Use the force. Use it. Power through. Power through. Okay. So I've never attempted anything like this before, which, I mean, is obvious, goes without saying. We'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. And then it just, let me just, fuck I'm doing here. Oh, these ones aren't put together? No, they are put together. It goes in there. It's just crimped in. Forgive me for not understanding how the fuck I'm supposed to do this. All right, I'm making it more difficult than it should be. You just basically get the wire around that screw bit. That's it. Of course, I back the screw all the way out. And it's tiny, and I have giant ogre hands. Doesn't make any sense to me. Doesn't make any sense to me. None whatsoever. There's no way this is going to work, is there? Like, there's zero chance of this working. I'm going with zero chance. There's going to be no on-camera redemption. Fuck all that noise. And in with the stupid. Through the miracle of bullshit, this is gonna work. Ghetto ass rigging of your life. That's what's going on down here. That's what we're doing today. And it feels good. If this works, I will fucking laugh my ass off. I mean, it's connected. What hurt can it have to see what happens, right? I'm gonna hook this all the way back up. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I'll figure something else out. And we'll move on, but let's try it. Let's see what happened. I have no hopes. There's no way this worked. There's no way this worked. Yeah, that light's on. Holy shit, it totally worked. It totally fucking worked. Motherfuck. Fuck a duck. This doesn't do anything, and I don't give a shit. Redemption song, a song of dash lights. Redemption song, here they are. This makes me really happy. Whenever you do something and you fix it, it feels so fucking good, doesn't it? So get out there and to borrow a line from Tavares, go wrench every day. Well, you have to have a car that needs to be wrenched on every day. It's nice to not have to wrench every day. That should be our t-shirt. It's nice to not have to wrench every day, but if you want to, go for it. Have fun. Are you guys laughing, watching me struggle? Is this fun for you? I'm sure it is. I mean, I'd be laughing if I was watching somebody do this. I would feel their pain. That's not true. I would feel their pain. I feel the pain of everyone. Then I feel nothing. Okay, so that is going to go like that. Okay. Leo gets, get it?